now we gonna move these around, chat. Move that cheese around. Turn the heat down a little bit.
Gotta catch up to myself.
Yeah.
I really be headed to you. I
Yeah.
be slowing down for myself.
Yeah.
I really be pushing the pace.
Yeah.
I really be switching the tempo of it.
Yeah.
These niggas be moving like lace. Okay.
Y'all see the cheese right there? Chop that cheese up, man.
Follow me, babe. I know that shit be really too fake. Okay. Sometimes when I be fucking rapping, I have my eyes closed like MJ. Nigga, you know I'm gonna get shot every day. And then I overall me, I'm dunking in the paint. Yeah, yo, bitch in my place. Dunking in the A. Hey, the way she did that gonna make me think shit kind of boy. Damn, ain't no going win, nigga.
It's the last slice, chat. It's the last slices.
I hope she knocked that out. Okay? I don't even play up by my name. Please don't say it 3 times, I'm gonna pop up like I'm the candy man. Yeah, I know that shit is insane. I ain't gonna crash out, no. Not crash. Bandicoot, hey.
Last round, chat. Go ahead, turn that up a little bit.
And no, this not a long song, but I've been working on my craft today.
Yeah. 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 All right, that's the last cheese we gotta melt at the top. Let's see. Probably gonna add like a tab of wrench, chat. A dab of wrench. You know what that means? I'ma just, cause I like it with wrench, chat, but that's my 10. 5%. Better hide your. Catch him running out. So who the dummy now? That's 100,000.
I got 100 problems, cuz got 100 choppers. One got a build up on the back to whoop you like your mama. Tell her you keep sucking me like that, you might get some prouder. Stop acting stuck up in a club.
Come hit this bottle. Yeah. 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 Tee me up, chat. Okay. Now it's time to. If I had like a bigger, what's the name? I'd be able to do it how to. Look at that, it's all falling, chat.
You better get on your hustle. You better get you some money. Sit around hating on the next man, ain't gonna get you shit. It ain't gonna pay your rent. Badass hoe, but I ain't pay that bitch. Walked in the club and they played my shit, yeah. Then I popped the court. Thank the dope fiends, that was my support. OT trips with the boy and Kane. Risked it all just to drop a Porsche. Where I'm from, selling rocks and sport. Big stacks, bad bitches was my reward. Made 10 G's flat out my mama door. Now it's 10 G's flat when I perform. Get off your ass, get on your grind. You wanna ball hard or you gon' sit on the pine? You better get you a hustle. You better get you some money. Get off your ass, get on the grind. You wanna ball hard, you better make up your mind. You better get on your hustle. You better get you some money. The blow so soft, but the cane so hard. I got it from cuz.
Bitch, why you kiss that broke nigga on his lips? Bitch, why you? Bitch, why you? Bitch, why you kiss that broke nigga on his lips? Bitch, why you? Bitch, why you? Bitch, why you kiss that broke nigga on his lips? Bitch, why you? Bitch, why you? Bitch, why you kiss that broke nigga on his lips? Broke ass nigga, he ain't never bought you shit.
I'm about to see what this hitting for. We're gonna go ahead and grab this one right here first. Oh, this business, that business. Boy, that business look good, nigga. We're gonna go with this one. Job. Yeah, I ain't waste no time. Yeah. Oh my God, bro. When I tell y'all, right? Like, it's so, like, buttery, bro. Because let me tell you how I did the bread. I buttered the bread. Cooked the bottom of the bread. That's why it's kind of toasted right there. Kind of toasted. I put mayonnaise on the inside, and I toasted the mayonnaise. But you can't taste the mayonnaise at all. It just tastes like bread and this. But boy, look, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. You taste that ranch, that little bit of ranch. Bro, let me bring this up to the camera one more time for y'all. Look at that. Philly way, bro. Listen. I'm putting y'all on. Putting y'all on, bro. Putting y'all on, bro. Toast, you make any sandwich. Any sandwich, bro. Toast the inside of the bread with mayonnaise. Even if you don't like it, bro. Even if you don't eat mayonnaise. I'm telling you. You don't taste it because it get cooked. And it just tastes like butter, really. I promise you I can taste no mayonnaise. Promise y'all. I got that from a chef that I seen on YouTube. He toast the inside of his bread with the mayonnaise and he cooked it. He cooked the mayonnaise on the bread. And it make the bread look like brown, like super brown. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, if you just take something white and burn it, it become like y'all ever seen a marshmallow sit under fire for like a couple minutes? I cooked them. I literally just did a whole cooking stream. Literally. They literally just seen me cooking it. Literally. Let me show you one more time. Philly steak and cheese. Listen. You gotta think about this for me too, like Philly steak and cheese, my my second or third favorite food in the world. My first favorite food, homemade macaroni and cheese, bro. Like I could eat that anytime throughout the year. I got the bread so buttery, right? My hands, if you squeeze the bread, it's buttery, bro. It's buttery, bro.
Feel me? Mm, 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 mm. Hey. So what you doing after? I don't even know, bro. I don't even know. I ain't got no plans right now. I'm scared about this one, chat. Oh my God. Hands, look. My hands is getting like. Oh. And then the sun kiss. Let me tell you about the sun kiss, bro. Berry lemonade. It tastes like juice, but it tastes like it got like the strongness of pop though, but it tastes like juice. I'm scared about this one, chat. All right. This might have pushed my second favorite food, bro. This might have pushed to my second favorite food, chat. Due to the simple fact, right? Homemade macaroni and cheese is untouchable. I don't care what nobody says. It ain't a food, in my opinion, I can top Thanksgiving plate, homemade macaroni and cheese. That like I feel bad for some of y'all because y'all Thanksgivings probably be like inconsistent. Like you probably had one good Thanksgiving where the macaroni and cheese just buzzing. Maybe you ain't ate the 2 days before Thanksgiving. You know what I'm saying? And it's hitting a little different. See, for me, since I was little, early into now, Thanksgiving been consistently good. Like, bro. Like, it get better and better every time I have it, bro. But, this was my third or second favorite food. It's like a tie in between corned beef egg rolls and Philly steak and cheese subs. There's something about that corned beef egg roll, bro. Look at that. Look at that. That's greatness, bro. Hey, I don't know because I just been up all day. It's making me. Mm, 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 mm. Hey, um, where I'm feeling, bro. Y'all probably thinking like, ain't no way. Like, I don't understand. I don't understand what I'm looking at right now. Meat is like perfectly cooked. I cooked it on low heat. So the meat is like meat, like the meat is too spot on, bro. The bread is toasted. I'm about stuck, boy. I'm about stuck. Woo. Chad, you ever just eat something and you know, like, type of sleep that meal about to make you? Oh, I ain't gonna lie, child. I think it's the ranch, bro. Y'all nigga probably don't cap, bro, but I think that ranch, I don't know what they hide in that valley. I don't know what they hide in that valley. But that hidden ranch, hidden valley ranch, boy. It's like a tad bit of ranch. It ain't even like over ranchy either. Like, you know how stuff be over ranchy? I put like a tad, like this much. I put this much around. Ah, I don't know if they hide melatonin in that alley. I'm a greedy nigga, bro. Like, you might go. Hey, listen. And I got a donut, child. I was gonna eat my chips with this chat, but this was so good, bro. You don't even need no chip, bro. You don't even need no chip, bro. You don't even need no chip, bro. That's so good. You don't need nothing, bro. I feel like I just bit into a no diddy a ball of cheese. Like this is like a ball of cheese right here. It's like a ball of cheese. Y'all see all that cheese right there? I'm motherfucker like a ball of cheese, bro. And the bread. Look at the bread, bro. The bread is toasted. Look at this side. Y'all can see by my hands when I squish on it, bro. Like, that's buttery, bro. Oh. Ooh, that burp. Hey. Okay. Hey. Excellent. Hell, child. I'm about to sleep like a motherfucker. Y'all niggas got to see this shit. Like, y'all got to see this shit live in action, bro. Like, a nigga out here streaming. Nigga just made a whole meal on the did a mukbang of the meal he cooked. Tell y'all something, bro. Okay. I don't know what I'm finna do. The nigga said, what you doing after? After? I'm finna be dreaming, bro. I'm finna be dreaming after this, bro. What you on, Bass? It depends on what you on, bro. Nigga talking about... If niggas talking about COD, that shit's so good, bro. That shit's so good, bro. It's hard. That shit going on. Bad, chat. What we on, Bands, bro? We on, Bands.